I grew up in a home where our cupboards were filled with recycled butter and yogurt containers for food storage. As an adult living on my own, I'm so excited to invest in some solid food storage options that look good and are designed to last. The market is flooded with a lot of options, so today we're making the hunt for the right one easy by sharing the top 3 best food containers. As always, you'll find links to each of these products we're talking about today in the description of this video so you can grab the optimal fit for your needs at the best deals. First up, let's talk about the always reliable Ziploc Twist and Lock Food Storage Meal Prep Container. Ziploc Twist and Lock containers block out air and lock in freshness. Plus, the lids on these handy plastic containers twist on like a jar and have a leak-proof seal so you don't have to worry about spills or leaks. And the extra small size is perfect for small hands to open and close. Ideal for snacking on the go, bringing lunch ideas to life, conquering meal prep, and organizing your fridge, pantry, or home. Use them for yogurt, fruit, vegetables, crackers, and much more. This is a really basic option that's both affordable and dependable. By the way, today's sponsor is NordVPN. They're consistently the top choice for staying anonymous online, torrenting safely, and accessing geo-restricted streaming content. You can check the description for a full review along with a special discount if interested. If you're looking for something just a little nicer than the Ziploc, check out the Fullstar food storage containers with lids. This 40-piece set includes 20 containers with 20 lids. Store and transport entrees and soups confidently with our revolutionary snap lock containers. Also great for small arts and crafts supplies like beads. Leak-proof 4-hinge locking system forms an airtight, watertight seal between container and lid. Never endure spilled food in your lunch bag again. Translucent design allows easy identification of contents. 10 sizes fulfill all of your storage needs. Includes 2 33.8-ounce regular containers, 3 28.4-ounce regular containers, 2 23.6-ounce round containers, 2 18.5-ounce rectangular containers, 3 11.8-ounce rectangular containers, 1 10.8-ounce rectangular container, 1 10.1-ounce round container, 1 8.1-ounce rectangular container, 1 8.1-ounce round container, 4 1.2-ounce dressing cups. Plastic contains no BPA, foul mites, or other toxins to leach into food. Fullstar containers are refrigerator, freezer, microwave safe. Fullstar food storage containers make efficient use of every inch of your home kitchen because they are stackable and nesting. Your focus is on getting the most bang for your buck. Fullstar food containers help stretch your dollars further by packaging leftovers in sturdy, reusable containers that stack neatly in your freezer and lunch bag. Possibilities are endless. Used to store fresh, frozen, or dried ingredients, they can also be handy for organizing any other non-food items in your home. And finally, if you want the best of the best, let me point you towards the epitome of dependable food storage, the Rubbermaid Brilliance Storage 14-piece set. Rubbermaid Brilliance airtight food storage containers are built with secure latches on each piece so you can transport your favorite foods mess-free, even soups, stews, and sauces. The crystal clear, durable Triton plastic container makes it easy to see what's inside, plus it's stain and odor resistant, so it stays looking like new. The food container has built-in vents that allow steam to escape so you can conveniently microwave food without removing the lid. Brilliance containers stack neatly in the fridge and cabinets for efficient food storage and are freezer and dishwasher safe. This starter kit includes containers for both fridge and pantry. Entertain, serve, and bring food to parties in these crystal clear containers. Containers keep cabinets organized with a modular shape for easy stacking and storing. Grains, sugar, cereal, and more stay fresh longer. The 2-latch design provides an airtight and secure seal to lock in freshness. Thanks to leak-proof technology, containers provide a mess-free, spill-free food storage option. The Rubbermaid Brilliant Storage 14-piece set will have you covered for years to come. These are definitely containers you won't want to lose. So those are the top 3 best food storage containers on the market right now, and I hope this video helped you find just the right option for your specific needs. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop those in the comments because I'll be going through and answering them. You guys always have some seriously awesome questions. Now while you're down there, also tell me what other products you're on the hunt for. What devices or products should we cover next? Thank you guys for joining me today. Remember, if you like this video, let me know by hitting that like button, subscribing to Consumer Buddy, and clicking the notification bell to always be the first to know when we have fresh content. Have a great rest of your day or night, and I'll catch you in another video soon.